See this guys, how people are actually earning this much amount of money. You can see this $10 from per person. 82 people he has already given the service to. Okay, $5 to more than 100 people. How people are actually giving these small guys, they just need to do typing job. That's it. All over the world. How can you do it? Follow along this video guys. I'll show you step by step how you yourself can earn good amount of money by just doing these small kind of jobs, okay, per hourly basis as well. Okay, hello guys, what's up? And in this video I'm going to show you how you can earn money online from peoples per hour. It's a new website guys. Lots and lots of people are asking me a question that's a please create a video on this reputed platform so that guys we can earn money. Okay, so I have created a dedicated video for you right now. Okay, Fiverr.com and other freelancing website I have already told you. If you have not watched that video, I just do recommend to watch it. Okay, so you can see this guys in people per hour. You can see this, how many people in pounds they have earned. Over 137 million plus pounds, not dollars, pounds. Freelancers and businesses, you can see plus 2 million and 1 million plus businesses. Fortune 500 companies, you can see this, BBC, CNBC and Forbes are one of their partners for this, who generate a good amount of income over this platform. Okay, so I just want to show you guys what type of data entry job, how people are actually earning this much amount of money. Okay, good amount of money. You can see this guys, $20, okay, per hour guys, per hour $20. Okay, within 5 hours you will have $100. Okay, so by just doing a small typing job. Okay, you can see this $40 guys. Okay, you can see this $35, and already she did 20 jobs. See this. Okay, $10, and already how much guys, 900, over 1,000 jobs. Okay, so see this guys, how people are actually doing this much amount of they are generating good amount of income by just doing typing jobs all over the world. How to do it, I'm going to show you. Okay, just come up here in this sign up button. Okay, just click on this. Just click on this, I want to work as a freelancer, and just click on this sign up with email ID. Okay, just enter your name, okay, your mail ID, okay, and just enter your password. Okay, just click on this sign up button, and it will take some time to do the processing. Okay, you can see this guys. So there is a confirmation mail that is sent, otherwise guys you cannot edit it. Okay, so a confirmation mail is sent to your mail ID. You can see this. Okay, so you just need to click on this complete application. Okay, and you can see this. Now my edit option is visible. Okay, now I can do the editing part. So do you represent a company? You can see no. Your job title, data entry job. You need to select your phone number, your hourly rate. I can select in terms of dollars as well. Okay, hourly rate $25. Okay, and your cover image. Okay, for cover image what you can do guys is to just come up here in this google.com. Okay, just type data entry. Okay, just type data entry and click on this images button, and you just need to download one of these images. I have already downloaded it. Just click on this save image and your image will get downloaded. Okay, so what you can do right now is to just browse the image that you have selected. Okay, so just see, this is the image that I've already downloaded for you. You just need to, in the similar fashion, what you need to do is to create a profile picture. Okay, do it. Just need to crop it guys. Okay, so just crop it. Okay, so it's done. Okay, so now what in the similar fashion what you need to do, just select your profile picture, and guys what you need to do is to give a small description about yourself. So I just quickly create a small description for you guys. Okay, so you can see this guys, I have already created a small description for you. Okay, you can see this on MS Word and MS Excel. Guys, if you do not have laptop, don't worry, you can perform these small you can see this editing and typing jobs on your mobile phones as well. Okay, just go on Play Store, you can download MS Word and MS Excel on that thing. Okay, just need to click on this continue button and you are good to go. So now what you need to select is this, select your skills. Okay, so data entry. Okay, I just need to select data entry. Okay, content writing. Okay guys, if you are good in data entry, you are good in that article writing as well. I have already shown you guys how to write an article. Okay, article submissions. Okay, and other skills guys, graphic designing. Okay, you can give your additional skills as well. Okay, logo designing guys, very easy. Okay, your languages, what you can select is Hindi. Okay, Hindi, you can select Hindi, or you can select English. Okay, you can select whatever language you are compatible with. Okay, and expertise guys, whatever background you are from. Okay, whether you are from hospitality, from insurance, marketing, whatever you are, you can perform your services over this platform. Okay, and you can just select your resume over this platform. Okay, so I just need to select my resume, and what you need to do guys here, if you do not know how to create a resume, just come up here guys. Okay, and just type here online resume maker. So guys, it will help you to generate more than hundreds of websites are there who can offer you free and fast resume. You can see this guys, easy, free and fast resumes. Try for free. Okay, you can download. Otherwise what you can do guys, just go to canva.com and there is already free templates that are available which will help you to generate your resume. Okay, so just click on this continue button. Now guys, you need to add some references. So references come up, you just need to click on connect your LinkedIn and your Facebook profile. Or what you can do guys, if you have some blogs. So I have already shown you, this is my blog guys. I have already shown you one of the dedicated videos for this blogs. Okay, if you are having these blogs, then you can post it. Okay, just click on this continue. And you can see this guys, you can offer more services over this platform by just working remotely or on site. Okay, so for me I can do it remotely because guys it's a part-time income. I do not need to go physically. If you are compatible with, you can do it. Okay, if you want to do it as a full-time job, you can do it as well. Continue, just click it. And guys, I have created a small personalized application for you. Okay, I just create a small description that you need to type in order to get a data entry job. Okay, so I just quickly show you. So this is a small description for you guys. You can see this. This is a small description that I have created. Okay, you can give a small introduction, and you can see this guys, these are the smallest type of things that you can create, that you can perform a typing job. Okay, you can update some existing data, these small parts. Okay, it will engage a customer, customer retention as well as trust that yes, this person is a genuine person, so we need to give a business to that person. Okay, so just click on this submit your application, and you can see this guys, by just submitting, and you just need to set up this free. Okay, so just click on this proceed, not even a single penny from your pocket, and you have just posted a free gig on this platform. Okay, now I'm going to show you another website guys, where they are giving you payment. Okay, as I've already told you, this your Fiverr.com, you can see this guys, how people gave it. What is the difference between people's per hour and Fiverr.com guys? Per project this person is taking $5, but in this people are actually getting paid for per hour basis. Okay, this is project oriented, this is our per hour oriented. Okay, you can see this, but actually guys, the number of projects over this Fiverr.com is more because there are more customers and freelancer as well. But in people per hour, as compared to Fiverr.com, people per hour are having less freelancer but more business. Okay, so there is a good opportunity because guys, they are just seeing your post. another thing I just need to give you is your payment options. Okay, just come up here in this payment options, because the ultimately you need to want your payment. Okay, so you just need to select the security question, guys. It's very important for you to select it, because guys, when you are retrieving your payment, these security questions are asking frequently. Okay, so just click on this submit. If you forgot this, guys, you need to create a new account. No option for resetting. Okay, just click on this payment settings, and what you need to do is to withdraw settings. Just need to click on this edit, and you can see this, guys. You must have a PayPal, Payoneer, or a bank account where you can bank transfer directly. Just click on this add new account, and you are good to go. That simple, guys. That simple. You do not have to do anything. Just perform these small jobs, and you are getting paid for that. Okay, I hope you like this video, guys. If you like this video, just need to click on this like button and hit the subscribe button as well, so that, guys, you will get notification of my videos every single day. I'm posting every single day a new video in order to give you business strategies, in order to engage the retention of yourself. Okay, if you are having any doubts, you just write on this comment section. Okay, till then, happy earning.